Okay, here's my first attempt at my motorized hand meat grinder. I've converted to a motorized unit. As you can see, it's a number 32. And I've got a Lovejoy connection in there with a geared Dayton motor. Only problem is it's only 1/13 of a horsepower. Put that neat little metal cover over it to protect the motor in my hands. So let's kick it on here real fast and kind of see how it sounds real fast. It spins at about 86 RPMs, which is a great speed. Lovejoy connection. A little bit of a clinking sound, but pretty decent connection.